Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. It's a brand new Zodiac season, and today I've got another Zodiac inspired nail art look. This is my 8th video in the series featuring Butter London's Zodiac Nail Vault, and if you missed the unboxing of the Nail Vault, you can click the card in the corner of your screen to see the unboxing and the swatches. And for each new Zodiac season, I'm using the shade of the season from this kit to create a nail art look, and I'm putting them all into one playlist. Aries is one of the fire signs, and today I'm going to be doing a negative space swirly design inspired by the swirly nature of flames. The Aries shade is Her Majesty's Red, which is a true red cream, and I thought it would be perfect to pair this red cream with the pink jelly that comes in the Nail Vault. So I'm starting off this design with 2 coats of strawberry rhubarb, which is one of the jelly preserve strengthening treatments. It's meant to help strengthen your nails, so I'm using it in lieu of a base coat. I wanted this design to be a little more abstract, and similar to how no two flames look alike, I painted each nail a little differently, but I basically used the same steps. On this nail, I used a liner brush in Her Majesty's Red to paint a reverse S down the center of my nail, and then I thickened that curve, especially at the top and the bottom. Then I went in with the same liner brush dipped into Piece of Cake, which is a light pink cream, and I painted another curve that outlined the left side of the red curve. And the right side looked a little empty, so I added a smaller and thinner curve on the right side of my nail as well. And finally, just as always, I finished off this design with the Hardware Shine UV top coat. And here is the finished Aries-inspired negative space swirl design. So that's all for today's nail art video. If you want to see more nail art featuring the shades from the Butter London Zodiac Nail Vault, then be sure to subscribe below so you don't miss out on the upcoming videos in this series. And if you want to check out the swatches of the polishes from the Zodiac Nail Vault, or my last design featuring the Pisces shade English Lavender, you can check out those videos or the playlist by clicking the link on your screen or in the description box below. But anyways, that's all for today, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!